Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Guys, welcome to Delxi. In this video I'm gonna share with you how you can load your website to increase your AdSense revenue. So our previous course was about how to get AdSense approval, and a lot of people got AdSense approval by using the method that I have shared with them. So if you're going to get AdSense approval for your website, the link of the course is in the description below. So if you see that this video is helpful, please support this video by pressing the like button. So if you didn't subscribe our channel, we talk about something related to how to increase AdSense revenue and also how to get AdSense approval and how to make money online. This is one of the most things that we discover in our channel. So in this video is what we are going to discover. This video is how to load your website. So if you see that this video is helpful, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get all the updates coming from our channel. Without delaying my time, let's get started. So guys, we are going to start the course. So once we are going to start the course, so we have to know what we are going to use. So now we have an app called gologin. So we are going to use gologin to load our website. So I know that most of you know and knows this platform or this app that we are going to use. It is called gologin, and mostly it is used for loading methods. So right now what we are going to use is to load our website. So once we are going to load our website is we go to the Chrome and then we download the app. So let us download the app. So you come your browser, then you start to write here gologin. So once the first time we are going to download this software. So once we download this software, it will allow us to load our website. So as you see, there is a lot of tips and tricks that we are needed to follow whenever we are going to use gologin. So at the backward of this video, I will share with you all the tricks and the tips that you are needed to follow when you're going to load your website with gologin. So anyway, this is the software that we are going to download. So you click here, then you are going to download it. So as anyone sees here, this is the gologin. So you click here, download. So once you download, I have already downloaded this, but now what you are needed to do is to download. Once you download, you sign up. I hope that you know how to sign up any software and any platform. So you sign up, then once you sign up, there is a dashboard which will appear with you. So this dashboard will appear for you. So once this dashboard appears for you, what you do is you click here, then you click also here, you remove these profiles. So once you remove these two profiles, now we are going to create our own profiles. So guys, as you see, you click here, add profile. We are going to create a new profile for our website to load. So here you click here, add a new profile. So look at here you see the profile name. You click here and you write the profile name. In my case, I can say Delxi. The profile name is Delxi. So and in here you select proxy. So as you see here, you select proxy. Once you select proxy, you select your proxy. Once you select your proxy, you select here the proxy that you are going to use. So you can use a free proxy and you can use also paid proxies. You buy and you purchase a proxy, then you use it here. So in my case right now, this is an example, and this is to understand something about how to load your website with gologin. So to understand is we are going to use the free proxy. Everything is free right now, so we are going to use the free proxy. This is the free proxy, and here we can select the country. We can select any country that we are going to use. So in my case right now, I'm going to use United Kingdom, so I have to select United Kingdom. So I have selected United Kingdom. So this one small thing that you are needed to know. It is this one, geolocation. Click geolocation and also select block. Please, you have to know this one. Yeah, geolocation, select geolocation and block. So I hope that this is clear. So once you complete and you follow that method, then you click create a profile. So right now you're going to create your profile. As you see, I have created my profile. So if you need to create another profile which is another country, then you can create. So let me show you another one. You click add profile, then you follow the step that I have followed right now. So only you follow the steps. You click here the name. Once again we say there, then proxy, we select free proxy or the proxy that you have paid, that you have budget. So in the country, I'm going to select India. So India, any country, I'm going here to select India. So geolocation, select geolocation and block. So right, and create the profile. So that's all brothers. Okay, now we have made our profile. Our profile is ready. So and our profiles are ready now to access our website. But before we access our website, there is one more thing is that we are needed. So the thing that we are needed is understand, please brothers, you have to understand this. So the thing that we are needed is to go to to check our location. And also the thing is that we are needed is not to click the AdSense ads on our website. So this I will show you as a practically. Yeah, everything I will show you practically. So once you're going to access, maybe I'm going to access India or I'm going to access a UK. So I'm going to access UK, United Kingdom. So click run. So once you click run, follow my steps and everything will be okay. So let us wait a little bit. It is checking, and also it will redirect us to a new tab. So guys, once we select it, run, then we have been redirected to this page, to this new tab. So right now everything is okay. This is the tab that we are going to visit our website. So before we visit our website, there is one more thing is that we are needed. The first one that we are needed is to check our location. So in order to check our location, we click here, we select a new tab, then we click here who we are or what is my IP address. So right now we are going to check our IP address. So as you see, this is London. The city is London, and also the country is United Kingdom. So as you see, everything is clear. Here is London, and also here is England, and the country is United Kingdom. So everything is okay right now. We can load our website. So by loading our website, we have to follow the next step. The next step is to write here Google. So we are going to visit our website by Google. So here at the first time we write here Google, then we visit our website through Google. So then we are going to write here our website. So our website website address, we click here and we visit our website address. So in my case right now, I'm going to visit this website. So I have copied the website address, then I click the website address here. I paste it, the website address here. This is the website. So I have a lot of approved websites, but I'm going to to give you an example by using this website. So let us see the AdSense ads of this website, and also let us see the result of loading method with this website. So this is the website. So we click here. This is the website. So we click. Once we click the website dashboard, we shall be redirected to the website. So as you see, guys, I was redirected to this page once I clicked. So as you see, AdSense ads are loading because of poor connection. There's a poor connection. I'm suffering from and complaining poor connection. All of these loading are AdSense ads. AdSense ads are loading. So anyway, the only thing that you can do is to click and to. So let me show you like this. So here you click and you open a new tab, then you click also this one and you open a new tab, you click this one and you open a new tab. So you visit each one one time, and you have to know one thing: don't click any ads. So please bear in mind, keep in mind, don't click any ads, only for page views. Yeah, page views can only increase your earning. So the page views, when I'm saying the page views, each page you have to visit at least 15 seconds. You have to stay at least 15 seconds. So this is how you can load your website, by visiting each page at least 15 seconds. And the other thing that you're going to know is each profile ad you can use only for 200 page views. More than 200 page views, don't use an ad and profiles. The profile that we are using right now, we are using the profile of United Kingdom. So the other profile of India we use only for 200 page views. So this is how you can load your website, and this is another and more AdSense loading methods. And so most of the other loading methods that I mostly use and increase my AdSense revenue, I'll share with you. So guys, right now I'm going to conclude this video. I'm not going to allow this video to be long. So if this is your first time you visited our channel, please make sure to smash the subscribe button, and also to give this video support by liking it. And also, brothers and sisters, you have to share this video for your other friends in order to get it a little bit benefit from it. So without elongating my time, bye bye guys.